Got your boy LaRon of Mark 5 Productions here. You know what I'm saying? With my boy Curtis, aka Airborne, baby.
Alright, check it out, y'all. My name is aka Airborne Curtis from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'm gonna take y'all inside for this movie Fake Devil. I've been checking them out for a long time. Really inspired, energetic young teens. Let's go in there and see what they can do. I'm gonna show them a little something that I can do. Let's go.
Hey, this your boy Hot Rod.
Alright, this your boy Pretty Boy Flasher. I'm Halftime Man.
This your girl Queen Landy.
Y'all ready to this your boy Stick?
Oh, this your boy Gucci One Time. This your boy Crash Time. It's wild out in the building.
This your boy Play Slim up in here.
Prime Time coming up.
This your girl Yo Stop, man.
What's up? This your boy Joker.
We're the hottest group in South Florida, and we are.
Come get some.
Rich nigga, won't you, baby? And your nigga can't do nothing for it, no, nothing, no. These hoes ain't loyal, oh, no. These hoes ain't loyal.
What's the rock in the system? Ain't no telling, will I fuck them or I diss them? That's what they be yelling, I'm a pimp by blood, not relation. I don't chase some, I replay some.